Okay, so what's a dental implant? Why is it important?
It used to be if you were missing a tooth because you had it extracted or because you had it knocked out because of an accident, you pretty much were looking at having the tooth replaced with a bridge, which is a procedure that is done so that the tooth is not removed but rather stays into your mouth. And you could have had a removable partial tooth, which is one that you can take out and put in during the day. But nowadays, as part of the restorations that dentists should be able to do, is to replace that tooth that you might be missing, or several teeth that you might be missing, with dental implants. Dental implants need to be suggested by your dentist. If it is not a suggestion as to how to replace a tooth or teeth that you might be missing, you're probably not in the right dental office. Even if the dentist doesn't do the implant, he or she must give you the option of considering a dental implant to replace the tooth or teeth. A dental implant, in its most basic form, is a root type or root shaped structure made of a metal called titanium. This root-like structure made of metal can be placed into the bone where the tooth was, and after a certain period of time, that period of time ranging from 3 months to 8 months, will allow the bone where the tooth was to grow around and grab that implant. That process is called osseointegration. Once the osseointegration has occurred, then you can have the implant or implants restored by having crowns or a bridge made on top of the implant, which will result in a fairly permanent restoration with decent dental hygiene and care. The way that you would keep an empty space in your mouth during the time that you have an implant and you're waiting for it to osseointegrate would be a temporary tooth made out of composite, which is a special acrylic used in the dental office that can be used to take the place of the tooth or teeth that you're missing. It works very well, it looks very nice, but for the most part, it is a temporary restoration until the implant has been grabbed by the bone in this process called osseointegration. Hi, I'm Dr. Guerra from Dental, Family, and Implant Dentistry of Laredo. Come on by our office and let us examine you and see what kind of dentistry you might need. Check out our website, see our smile gallery, take a look at our procedures that we offer at our office. Thank you.